Now we have to find the difference between cis and trans. If we check the stability, as per the stability is there, cis is less stable, trans is more stable due to larger gap, distance between two atoms, due to larger repulsion between because distance is so stability. Second point is melting point. It depends on symmetry. So trans is having higher melting point due to symmetry, and this is having lower melting point Next one is third one is boiling point, which is directly proportional to dipole moment. So it is having higher boiling point due to higher dipole moment. This is having lower boiling point due to lower dipole moment. And it can be explained on the basis of on this basis. So it can be explained on the basis of, suppose this C double bond C is there, it is having A, this is having B, H and H. In this case, C double bond C, it's A, it's a B, H and H. So in this case, suppose this is the dipole moment. If it is X and it is Y, if it is X and this one is Y, then mu is equal to X minus Y. In this case, mu is equal to X plus Y. So here dipole moment, the sum of dipole moment is higher. Here the dipole moment is lower, as boiling point is directly proportional to dipole moment. So cis is having higher boiling point, that's why they are having higher dipole moment. Trans is having lesser boiling point because of the lesser dipole moment. Solubility. This is also directly proportional to dipole moment. So which is having higher dipole moment? Which is having higher dipole moment? Cis is having higher dipole moment. So cis is more stable, cis is more soluble, and trans is less soluble in water, less soluble in polar solvent. Last one is, the last difference is, formation of anhydride. Formation of anhydride. Can form anhydride easily. Cannot form anhydride. Why? Because suppose this compound is there, C double bond C, COOH, whereas in this case C double bond C, double bond O, single bond OH. Now water can be removed from here upon heating, but here the gap is much more. Larger distance between two molecule or set of atoms, which has to be removed. Here a smaller gap is there. Between two OH group. So a smaller gap easier to remove.